All right, here we go. Number 5. So on these, what they want you to do is take this f of 12 and you're going to substitute the 12 in for the x in the f of x equation. Okay, meaning wherever there's an x, you're going to put 12. So we're going to rewrite that f of x equation. So instead of f of x, we're going to have f of 12. Okay, and it equals negative 2 times 12 plus 4. Negative 2 times 12 is a negative 24, plus 4 equals a negative 20. Okay, same thing with the 6. We're going to put it as, instead of x, we're going to put that 6 right in there for x. So it's going to be negative 2 times 6 plus 4, which is a negative 12 plus 4, negative 8. Okay, this one was negative 20. Over here, we have 2b. So again, we're going to take that 2b and put it in for x. So negative 2 times 2b, right, plus 4. Well, negative 2 times 2 is a negative 4b plus 4. That cannot be combined any further, so you have to just leave it just like that. Negative 4b plus 4. On this one, on number 8, you're using this g of x because it's g of 5, so you go to the g of x equation. All right, and so you put the 5 in anywhere there's an x. So we'll have 5 squared minus 5, which is 25 minus 5. Again, that's 20. Okay, and then negative 2, we'll put negative 2 right here and negative 2 right there. Okay, so we have negative 2 squared minus a negative 2. So that's negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4, minus a minus 2 becomes plus a plus, which is equal to 6. All right, and then 7c over here, we'll have 7c and square it because it was x squared, and then minus x would be minus 7c. So 7c squared, you have to square the 7 and you have to square the c. So 7 squared is 49, c squared is c squared, and then minus 7c. And those cannot be added any further because that has an exponent of 2 right there, and the other one has an exponent of 1. So that's all the further you can go with that. All right. Now, moving on. Well, why won't that? There it goes. State whether each function is linear or not. So on this one, remember the 3 things that they can't be: x and y can't be multiplied together. X or y can't be on the denominator. X or y and denominator, that's no good. And exponents must be only exponent they can have is 1. So exponents must be 1. Okay? So if you look here, there's no x or y at all. So yeah, that's a function. Okay, it's a linear function. And here, x is not being multiplied with y. It's not in the denominator. It doesn't have an exponent greater or less than 1. So yes, that also is a linear function. But look here, we got x in the denominator there, so that's a no-no. That's not a function. X and y are being multiplied here, so that's a no. This one's good because x is not being multiplied times y. It's not in the denominator, and it doesn't have an exponent that's different than 1, so this is yes. Again, no x and y being multiplied together, not in the denominator, or no exponents higher than 1 or different than 1. So yes, that's a function. This is not a function because x and y are being multiplied together. And this is not a function because x is in the denominator. Okay? All right. And let's move on. So on this one, they want you to know whether it has a line of symmetry or a point of symmetry. And it looks like we'll save that one for the next video.